Good morning students. Today we will learn about gadgets. The slide bar is on the side of your computer screen, which contains small programs called as gadgets. Gadgets are the mini programs that provide information at a glance and also provide access to frequently used tools. For example, clock, news headlines, picture slide, etc. Now we will see how to use it. Step 1, right click on the desktop. Step 2, select gadgets from the pop-up menu. Step 3, double click the gadgets. Display available list of gadgets. You can add or remove the gadgets on your desktop according to your choice. Clock, calendar, slideshow.